I'm Stephanie Parks, the founder of Derm Warehouse, and today I'm going to talk about the Jan Marini Skincare Management System. This is one of the most popular systems that we have. All the products are excellent. Jan Marini is such a great brand, and it's one of my favorites. I love using a skincare system because it makes it so easy. You have all of the products that you need right in one box. They all have a number on them, so you know exactly what order to use them in and when. So the Jan Marini Skincare Management System, it comes in normal combination for normal combination skin, and then there's a system for dry, very dry skin. Both systems include the Bioglycolic Face Cleanser, which is one of my all-time favorite cleansers. It's super gentle and it exfoliates the skin really nicely. So you get that resurfacing, but it's very gentle. It's even okay for sensitive skin, great for all skin types. They both contain the C-Esta Face Serum. This is an antioxidant serum with vitamin C. It will brighten you up. It will really just lift the skin and overall help to even your skin tone. They also both have the Antioxidant Daily Face Protectant SPF 33, which is a really nice everyday sunscreen. The normal combination system has the Bioclear Face Lotion, and this is another exfoliating product. It helps smooth skin, it helps clear up the skin, and then it has the Transformation Face Cream, and that is a moisturizer to help with aging and damaged skin. The dry, very dry system, on the other hand, has the Bioclear Face Cream instead of the Bioclear Face Lotion, so better for drier skin, and also the Age Intervention Face Cream, which is a great moisturizer, a little bit more hydrating for the drier skin. This system it's just really great all around. I love it. I've used it for a long time. I like all of the products individually, and the fact that it comes in a really easy to use kit makes it even better. So you can shop for the Jan Marini Skincare Management System on dermwarehouse.com.